This is practice 1.4. This will be the second video for this worksheet. At the bottom they ask you to write the converse of each statement. That's different than what we did in this middle section. In this middle section, these three forms off of this template give you statements that all mean the same thing. A converse does not have to mean the same thing as the conditional. So in each of these they give you a conditional and they ask you for the converse. It's really easy to write the converse. All you're doing is switching the red and the blue words. So there is your hypothesis. There is your conclusion for number 10. If two lines never cross, then they are parallel lines. The converse of that would be if they are parallel lines, then the two lines never cross. Now, if you want to switch up the noun and the pronoun, you can, so it would sound better if you did it like this. If two lines are parallel, then they never cross. So we said lines, the noun, before we said they, the pronoun. But that's what the converse would be. Okay, so I'll write that one out for you. If two lines are parallel, then they never cross. Now, that converse is a true statement. This original conditional does not mean the same thing as it. I don't think you have what you need to know that yet, but we'll talk about it later. Number 11, all even numbers are divisible by 2. It really helps you here if you take this statement, which would look like this, and convert it to this first. Muzzy's making an announcement. Everybody has to stop and wait and listen. Alright, so if you change this to an if-then statement, it would sound like this. If a number is even, then it is divisible by 2. So that's what this statement would look like if you change it to this form. Okay, now switch your red and your blue. So it would look like this. If a number is divisible by 2, then it is even. This is the converse. If and then stay where they are. You switch the red and the blue. Okay, we'll do one more. This last one's really, really easy. If blue, then red. Keep if where it is. Keep then where it is. Just switch the red and the blue parts. So if x equals 7, then x plus 4 equals 11. That's how you write a converse.